like a rock star. Yeah, and off we go. Everything for my 300 subscribers. 3 places to see in Rotorua. First one is Kuirau Park, where you've got on the beginning mud pools, then hot pools, and then a bit further where you will find thermal spa kind of thing, where you can dip your foot and you can walk a bit further in order to see more. Definitely a perfect place with the weather like this today. Kasia is with us. The temperature of them is something like 100 degrees as they are boiling. Definitely a perfect place for a lazy morning and just to chill. You can just walk around and see quite a few of the steamy ones. You can't actually see anything over the other side, and you can't see that there isn't even a lake. You can look like a rock star with all that smoke coming out. Steamy. So this place is actually unstable, and there are new ones, new geysers coming up in this place, so you have to be careful everywhere. At least that's what it says. We saw also maintenance working on the fences. It's 100 degrees, so a definite burn straight away, or even death if you fell inside. Stinks as hell. Geothermal water, steam and gases rise, boiling water, and basically we can see all that on the surface. And this is Rachel's Spring, the hottest one, 212 degrees Celsius. So actually there is quite a lot of stuff that you can see for free in Rotorua.